Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Lightning Strike SMP. So as you can see, me and Super Zoe worked on some brewing. We didn't exactly brew anything, we just set up the brewing space. And I tamed cats. 2 cats. Where's cat number 2? I would have. At least I have one. So, what should we do today? I actually have no idea. Yeah, let's tour the Iron Golem farm. / wharf. So we will warp in a sec. I'm recording this right after Portal 2. So as you can tell, if you saw Portal 2, you can tell that I'm still moaning and stuff. And look, I'm rich. I went on a huge mining expedition, and I got that from the Iron Golem farm, just AFKing. So let's see how much iron is left. Someone might have harvested it this morning, although there is no one on. So yeah, someone harvested it. Usually there will be like, that'll be full. Let's see this. And Super Zoe opened up a new shop, a food shop, and yeah. So what I've been doing is I've been patching up all the creeper explosions. So I think that that's what we are going to do today. But I don't just patch them up, like I fill them in. There we go. See? Just patch them up. Whatever this is, nope. Not gonna allow it. I don't have any really good maps in series because my YouTube manager is in Sweden right now. And yeah. Just a sec. Okay. So let's pick this up. Also, maybe my YouTube manager will come onto this server. And they're back. I wonder if they've met Notch yet. Because Sweden is where Notch is. Let's take this down because I was going to build a melon farm out of this. I was starting to build a melon farm, but I decided now. now. This can't be here. And there's a new, if you've seen, there's a new mod survival that I just posted yesterday. And yeah, so hope you enjoy that. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to start uploading at least 2 videos a day. Hopefully that will happen. And yeah, so I'm thinking, because a lot of YouTubers do it, so I was thinking that I should do like clips for my episodes. If you guys don't like it, leave a comment. But yeah, I'm gonna do clips. Like not just one whole episode about one thing, just like a whole episode about a lot of things. So there. Let's go up. Zoe built a tree house. Let's go clean that up. I just can't stand that. So let's take this down. Alright, I'm gonna cut and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I am going to cut while I take this down and patch it up, because I decided that this is just going to take a long time. So see ya. So we are back. I was just AFKing in front of the thing, got 33 iron from it. So yeah, I patched up everything. Okay, maybe not that, but look, there's nothing there. Okay, so look, I'm rich. I think that we should make a new shop. /warp spawn. You know what? BRB. So we are back here. And yeah, so what shall we do? I think that we should get some good armor. Sand out here. And yeah. We need some levels. This is some good XP that I'm getting here. Okay. Okay. So let's go up to 30 levels. You know what? Let's go quartz mining. Let's get levels. First, let me kill these mobs. No. Nah. Dang it. Please, no more creepers. Let's patch this up really quickly. But I guess this is gonna have to wait. You know what? After the episode's done, I'll patch that up. What? No. That isn't. What? I thought that keep inventory was on. Oh, XP, XP, my beautiful XP. Oh. Let's mine some quartz. There goes quartz. Let's get some quick levels. There's some good veins here that haven't been mined. Let's grab some of that. This is a good way to get some quick levels. So, what should we talk about? Guess my stuff is gone now. Complete bummer. I'm not even gonna bother. You know what? That's the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Peace.